Hey YouTube, I know I'm looking crazy, I'm feeling crazy. I just did a look with the Koi palette and I paired it with the Warm Mattes palette by Viseart for my transition shade, and there were only 3 colors that I did not use in the previous video, and so I wanted to just see what those look like on me. And so what I did was I didn't even wash all of that off. I put on primer on top of all those shades, well, just on my lid. So I topped my lids with primer, and then I went in with this shade here all over the lid. And I put this in the outer corner, and what was left of this on the brush I swept on my inner corner. Also, this is on my lower lash line, and then I topped it with this on my lower lash line. So that's what this is. I'm making this face because, like, this one I don't like at all. Like, I do not like that color on me at all. That's this color here, all over the entire lid and on the lower lash line. And this shade here, also in the outer corner and lower lash line. So, those were the 3 colors I had not used before. This one here, this light purple, and this one. This eye I think is okay, but then I can do something similar with this, with the Lila palette. This right here, like, I don't like this tone on me. I think it's way too cool for me, and just, I don't know. I know liner and mascara can make things look different, but the experiment was just to see how these shades looked on my skin tone, and if I liked them. So this is what this is, really short, sweet video. Maybe not sweet, I don't know. And I did take pictures, I'll attach them to this video, of course. And so this may be the last look I do with the Koi palette. I'm not really sure. Beautiful colors. And I do like this one, but I can do this with other things that I have. Let me know what your thoughts are. You will see me in the next video. Thanks, guys. This is making me delirious.